Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how to copy trade on the Bybit exchange. And towards the end, I am going to show you how you can make up to 400 USDT in bonus. To get started, you would have to go over to this section right here and click on derivatives. Scroll down and select copy trading. This is what we are going to use to copy other pro trader strategy and make consistent profits over time. This right here is the copy trading section, and you can see that there are various traders right here that you can copy from. I am going to walk you through how you can select a good profitable trader that would help you make consistent profit over a period of time. Right now, let's look at this person right here. You can see that he has 100% 7-day win rate, and this is very good for a trader with also a 100% 3-week win rate. When you want to copy a particular trader strategy, you should always check the win rate. This shows you if their strategy is a good working profitable strategy. So when you look at this win rate, you would know that the trader is more likely to make profit over a period of time. You can also see right here the 7-day profit is at around 30.91. This right here is very good with a number of trades of over 200. And currently, there are over 1,500 users following this strategy. If I was to pick a strategy, I can pick this blockchain pro. This trader is more likely a profitable trader, and I can choose to copy his trades and make consistent profits. You can also look for other profitable traders like this Bitcoin right here and this General Sherman. If you look at this Bitcoin, you would see that he has a better performance with 100% 7-day win rate and a 59.43 7-day profit. This trader currently has made over 300 trades with about 929 followers currently following this strategy. The 7-day followers profit is over $48,000. So this right here is another good profitable trader that you can copy from. If I want to select this trader, I can go ahead and click on copy right here. In this section, you can see the following contracts that this trader is willing to trade. Right here, you can select or deselect any of these trading pairs. So I can remove most of these trading pairs as I may not be interested in these contracts. Alright? So right now, you can see that I am willing to trade these 4 contracts with a strategy. If you go to this top section right here, you would see the profit sharing. Now, this trader is going to take 10% when you make profit with his strategy. If you scroll down, you can see right here that your position is always going to be on isolated, and right here you can select the leverage you want to use. In this video, I am going to use a leverage of 4. The next section is to select your order cost, and this is from a range of 10 USDT to a maximum of 1000 USDT. Right now, I would select 100. And I can also input my take profit and stop loss. If I click on this, I can set my take profit to 20% and my stop loss to 5%. I would go ahead and click on confirm. This right here are the details of my trade. Right now, I have 0 USDT present in this copy trading wallet. What I would have to do is to click on this transfer. I can transfer USDT from my derivatives account to my copy trading account. If you don't have USDT present in your wallet, just like me, you can either make a deposit from your existing wallet or you can purchase USDT from the Bybit P2P platform. Let me show you an example. If you go over to buy crypto right here, you can select the P2P trading. In this section, you can choose to buy USDT with your local currency. These are a list of various traders with their preferred rates. Over here, as you can see, is the limit they are willing to trade. Before you select any of these P2P traders, make sure to look at their completion rate. And this percentage right here has to be more than 90% for you to have an easy transaction. So right now, if I was to select a P2P trader, I am going to click on this express trade and buy at the current rate of 616.49. I would click on buy right here. These are the details of my order, and right here I can select the amount of my local currency that I want to exchange for USDT. I can select a preferred amount based on the limit provided by the P2P trader, and I would get 32.44 USDT. So this right here is one way you can fund your account for the copy trading platform. Once you are done, you can easily click on buy and make a direct transaction to the P2P trader. Right now, let's go back to the copy trading platform. Once you've funded your derivatives account, you can go over to this section right here and click on transfer. I am going to transfer USDT from my derivatives account to my copy trading account. I will click on max right here and transfer this amount. As you can see right here, I have successfully transferred from my derivatives account to my copy trading account. Right now, I can go ahead and copy this principal trader's strategy. This right here is a 1:4 risk to reward ratio. I would go ahead and click on next right here. These are my details and I can start copy trading. You can see that right now I just started copy trading with an equity of 200 USDT, and when the principal trader enters any position, I am going to see everything right here. All the copy trades made by the principal trader, the past copy trades by the principal trader, and right here I am going to see the number of principal traders that I am currently following. All the information right here would be listed for you once you follow a particular principal trader. If you want to edit this strategy, you can go ahead and click on edit right here. In this section, you can choose to select more contracts, change your leverage, increase or decrease your order cost, and also you can adjust your take profit and your stop loss. You can see that this platform is very flexible, and if you don't want to follow that particular trader, you can always unfollow at any time. All you need to do is to click on unfollow. Right here, once you click on confirm, you will automatically unfollow this trader. So this is exactly how to copy trade on the Bybit platform. Right now, I am going to leave this amount and wait for this strategy to start making profit. This right here is the Bybit referral program. All you need to do is to share your specific link across your social media, and you can earn up to 400 USDT in rewards for every friend you refer. You can see right here, when the referee deposits above $20 and trades above $250, you will get 20 USDT. And also, there are different milestones for the referee for a greater reward. You can see 20 USDT, 170 USDT, and 230 USDT. So for every person you refer, you can stand a chance to win 420 USDT in rewards. And if you have any further questions, you can join the Bybit Telegram community. This right here is the Bybit Nigeria Telegram community. There are several moderators right here that are going to assist you with any issue you might have regarding the Bybit platform. For right now, this is going to be it for this video. If you enjoy this kind of content, you can please leave a like and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you do so. This is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.